Welcome to the Analog Electronics Mastery course, a meticulously crafted program that takes you on a comprehensive journey from foundational principles to advanced design. We understand that your time is valuable, and we are committed to delivering a detailed and professional education without wasting your time with unnecessary details. Here is an in-depth preview of what you'll experience. Our course commences with a deep dive into the fundamental principles of analog electronics. You'll gain a thorough understanding of electronic components, their properties, and their practical applications. We'll explore the intricate concepts of voltage, current, and resistance, and demonstrate circuit analysis techniques, laws, and equations on papers, and then apply it in designing electronic circuits. This is where you'll build a strong foundation upon which to construct your expertise. We don't stop at the basics. We propel you to the realm of advanced design techniques. You'll master the inner workings of amplifiers, feedback mechanisms, diodes, transistors, and operational amplifiers. These are the tools of the trade used by industry professionals, and you'll develop a deep proficiency in their application. This knowledge will empower you to tackle complex projects and make informed design decisions. Our course is grounded in practicality, ensuring that you acquire skills that can be readily applied in the real world. You'll roll up your sleeves and engage in hands-on design confidence and competence to excel in your professional endeavors. Your time is precious, and we respect your commitment to mastering analog electronics. Join us for a course that immerses you in the complexity of this field, from the fundamentals to advanced design, all without unnecessary detours. Your journey towards becoming a designer in analog electronics starts here. So enroll now and start your journey in the world of analog electronics.